So I need you to look at my kitty. My cat is so adorable. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her. Looks like she has no eyes. I rescued her a few days ago. Look at her. I rescued her a few days ago. And so now she's staying in my room. So, bye. And please like and subscribe.